Hi, I'm Woody Borgschulte, the principal of Hollenbeck Middle School. I want to take this opportunity to talk to you about some of our facility needs at Hollenbeck and what the funds from Proposition S would do for our students and for our schools. Proposition S is a $244 million bond issue on the April ballot that will not increase the current tax rate. Voter approval of Proposition S would allow the district to borrow money now and in the future to address pressing facility needs at Hollenbeck and all Francis Howell schools. Hollenbeck is almost 50 years old, the oldest and one of the smallest middle schools in Francis Howell. The exterior and interior of the building need to be updated, and our HVAC system on the main level needs to be replaced. Our electrical infrastructure dates back to the early 70s and also should be updated. Our science and facts classrooms are outdated, and our kitchen and loading dock are too old and small to effectively serve our student population. Hollenbeck has sewer issues, and after heavy rain we get water coming up through the floor in our band room. Our gym bleachers and lockers are original and need to be replaced. Our outdoor track is rapidly deteriorating and needs to be resurfaced or replaced. Our bathrooms also need to be remodeled in order to be accessible for those with disabilities. The safety of our students and staff is always a priority at Hollenbeck. Currently, all visitors must be buzzed in at the main entrance. Once inside, however, there is no way to effectively control their access to the building. Proposition S would pay for the construction of a new safety vestibule and would route all visitors through a separate space for check-in and visitor screening, improving safety and security for everyone in our school. If our voters approve Proposition S, then we will be able to renovate our exterior, kitchen, and loading dock. We would have the funds for interior updates, electrical upgrades, and will be able to resurface our track. Proposition S would also pay for major renovations at the elementary schools that feed into Hollenbeck and for our new Francis Howell North, where most of Hollenbeck's graduates will attend high school. It would also pay for millions in updates and renovations at Francis Howell Central, where the rest of our students attend high school. For more information about Proposition S, the no tax rate increase bond issue, and what it will fund for all students and schools in Francis Howell, please visit the district website.